Randy. Hey.
Nalingon si Kuya.
Hello guys, welcome
Makita
to
kita kanina, nag-dive ka sa lalim Kuya.
Watch me, watch me. Alright.
Alright.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So by the way, I'm here in Barracuda Lake, so I want to enjoy myself. And also, here in Barracuda Lake, so it's super crowded, so I want to relax myself in this hut. So don't forget my name. My name is Randy, but you call me baby for short. And also see you in the next video. Hey.